Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Jessica here, coming at you from my kitchen. Welcome. I had a friend share the shamrock shake recipe. So, so I'm kind of craving a shamrock shake. So, I wanted to show you guys how you can make it really quick in your own kitchen with the right tools. So how is everybody here in this area, Eastern Seaboard, enjoying this nor'easter that we're getting waffled with some snow right now, very wet snow, very windy, wet snow. So hope you were able to stay home and stay dry today. How is everyone today? Just FYI, if you love watching me cook in my kitchen, I'll be back in about an hour, around 6 o'clock, and I'm going to be making one of our new spring recipes, which is toasted orzo skillet. It says with shrimp, but I don't have any shrimp. I had some scallops in their freezer, so I'm going to do mine with some scallops. So tune in later to see how that recipe goes down. But for now, I'm making myself a snack, a shamrock shake. So I'm going to be doing that in our manual food processor. So if you don't have the food processor, you may want to think about getting one, because it's not just for your root vegetables. I mean, you can do so much with the manual food processor, which I nicknamed my boyfriend Manny. Silicone ring on the bottom so it grips your countertop. And by the way, let me just share with you a Facebook tip. Those of you watching and seeing comments coming up, if you swipe to the side, you can not watch the comments come up as they do, and watch the video. So all this is oh my God, I made my whipped cream already. I didn't want to do both because it's so easy. If you have, actually, I think I'm gonna swipe to the side too. I'll go back, anybody who has questions and comments, I will go back after the video and answer all your questions. And also to let you know that the recipe will be posted below this video. It's really easy though. But I'll share the recipe for the shamrock shake below this video after it's done too. So I made homemade whipped cream. It's just some heavy whipping cream in our whipped cream maker. Look at this, 30 seconds. See, it's just a pump. So it's heavy whipping cream, excuse me, a little bit of powdered sugar, and then vanilla extract. And look, in 30 seconds, you have fresh made whipped cream. Oh my gosh. So, of course, you can't have a shamrock shake without a little fresh whipped cream on top of it, right? Hi, everybody. Okay, so, and it's all dishwasher safe. Of course, I won't be using all of this whipped cream in this shamrock shake. The bottom comes off, and it's a lid, and this will last in your fridge for about 5 to 7 days. So all you need is a couple of scoops of vanilla ice cream. So I'm gonna put that right in my manual food processor, leave the blade in here. So let's get some vanilla ice cream in here using the ice cream scoop. It's nice and easy to use. So I'm gonna do about, I don't know, 3 scoops of ice cream. Oop. Can't hold on to the container here. So I had a fun lunch date today with my friend Kristen. We went to the Beanery in Point Pleasant. If you haven't tried that place yet, if you live around here in Point Pleasant, definitely get your butt over there and try it. They have some good food, good healthy food. My nose is running. My nose is running. I gotta go catch it. Okay, so a little bit of milk we're gonna add to this. I don't know, probably about a half a cup of milk to 3 scoops of ice cream. By the way, There is measurements on here. This is a 3-cup capacity, and it comes with a lid to put on top for storage. Do a little bit more milk. A little bit more. I'm gonna eyeball it because you know this is pampered, not perfect. Okay, so the lid you just place on top, and then you just pump to give it a good mix. Okay, so now just to add the mint flavor, I've got mint extract. You want to do about 1/4 teaspoon. There we go, just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way with that mint extract. A few pumps there. Oh, it's looking good. It's looking good. I think I want a little bit more milk. Make it a little bit, like you want to mix this to the consistency, you know, that you like. Oh, I can smell the mint. And now it's a shamrock shake, so I need to turn my ice cream green. So I've got right here some food coloring I'm going to use. Just a couple of drops will do. 1, 2, I think I'll do 3 drops. That should give me my green color I'm looking for. Oh, it's shaping up. It's shaping up. I want it a little bit more creamy. So the manual food processor, you can use it with your right hand like how I'm doing now, or flip the lid around and push with your left hand. Whichever way is more comfortable for you. Oh, that looks perfect. That looks perfect. Okay. Check this out. Look at that. All right, so now we're going to dress this up. I'm going to get me a glass here. Get me a glass and a spatula just to make sure I can get it in here. Pour my shake. My shamrock shake. Look at that. Okay. Making a little bit of a mess here. Okay, and then the fresh whipped cream on top. Oh, look at that. Fresh whipped cream. And we're gonna dress this up too, because this is my afternoon snack today. I don't know why on this cold day I'm craving a shamrock shake, but look, whipped cream. Ta-da! I have these fancy sprinkles I had in my cupboard, these silver sprinkles. So put a little silver on here. And then I had these chocolate sprinkles too. Oh, I bet you guys are all jealous. Look. And there you have it, my shamrock shake. McDonald's has nothing on me. And you know what? This is even better for you. Totally. Oh, it's delicious. So you can make any kind of shake you want right in the manual food processor. Yeah, any flavor ice cream or anything. Flavored ice cream, you can doctor it up with your favorite extract. Whatever. Delicious. All right, so tune back in about an hour or so when I'm making dinner. Toasted orzo skillet with shrimp. I mean, actually, the recipe says shrimp. I'm doing scallops with scallops. Yay. Well, thanks for watching, friends. I hope you enjoyed this. Hope I inspired you, my friends, who already have a Manny in your kitchen, to make some dessert tonight. Make some shakes. How fun is that? See you later, guys. Thanks so much.